cancer. Now, cure it with Korea's proton beam therapy. An exceptional PBT trip to Korea. This PBT experience all starts with a visit to Korea. Patients arrive in Korea through Incheon International Airport. An orientation is given and a visit to the National Cancer Center is made. Soon after the NCC orientation, the patient is moved into their furnished apartment and given a tour of the housing area. Very convenient transportation will be arranged at the patient's request. Encountering Korea's PBT. With their adaptation to Korea as a starting point, patients prepare to start their medical treatment. When the patient arrives at the hospital, there awaits a convenient environment where a coordinator is arranged for each patient, and all care is handled by them. The staff is trained to care for each patient and is very fluent in English. The doctor, who you already know, by online, will greet you and consult you. Proton therapy. Let's take a look at the Proton Center treatment course of the National Cancer Center. The course works as follows. On the basis of the medical history, the data was sent to the hospital even before he left. The patient was accepted. Simulation therapy occurs at the simulation clinic. This is the stage of radiotherapy planning. After deciding the treatment region and treatment position, the fixation instruments are manufactured. Then, the treatment region is photographed and marked. The required time ranges from 30 minutes to 1 hour, according to the patient's plan. Depending on the type of tumor, there are cases where simulation is done several times. Therapy is planned in the Treatment Planning Center. It is the process of using treatment planning computers to design the ideal treatment method on the basis of the data concluded from the simulation therapy. The use of digital imaging positioning system for identifying location. This is the process of finding the exact treatment location for the patient before the start of the therapy, using the optimal computerized therapy plan. With the practice of this process every day, a more safe and accurate radiotherapy can be performed. Proton therapy. This is the stage of operating the treatment using the proton therapy machine according to the therapy plan. The total required therapy time is approximately 20 to 30 minutes. The therapy is carried out for a fixed period of time according to the established therapy plan.
In conventional radiotherapy, we use X-rays. X-ray penetrating through the body and never stop. It delivers a maximum radiation to the normal tissue, and there will be a radiation exposure throughout the path. However, proton beams travel through the body and then stop where the maximum radiation will be delivered. We called it a break peak, and then there is no radiation exposure after break peaks. The entrance dose is usually very low. By using the proton beams, we can deliver maximum radiation to the tumor while sparing normal tissue.
Outstanding Korean medicine. The National Cancer Center, in which they receive their medical treatment, has its merits in a patient-centered diagnosis and treatment system that presents Korea as a prime international destination for proton beam therapy. In other words, it is a convenient system where the process of diagnosis and treatment is managed with a focus solely on the patient and the disease. The Proton Beam Center in the National Cancer Center operates an effective therapy according to the diagnosis and the type of prostate cancer. Prostate cancer patients are treated effectively and professionally by methods that suit them the best. Enjoy Seoul while you are treated. Experience exotic and healthy activities. Destination Korea will delight and inspire you. Korea's outstanding PBT. There's no waiting, affordable pricing, and almost immediate processing at the NCC. It is your best choice. Local concierge service handles all details for your visa, hotel reservation, tour schedule, escorts, after service, etc. Now, the excellence of Korea's PBT awaits you. Traveling abroad for proton beam therapy. Please visit pbtkorea.com.